Hello, plant fans. Another bad hair day, another episode. So today we're going to do a rare plant unboxing video. I normally don't do these because, well, I know that there are a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube already, and then I also am trying to tone down my collection to really only the plants that really speak to me. So this plant I'm really excited about because this one really spoke to me. I got this off Facebook from my friend Ryan. Amazing guy. He sells a lot on Facebook. His predominant plant is the Aglaonema pictum tricolor. So he sells that pretty often. He also finds some really funky and unique pipers and probably some other plants that I just can't identify and are, you know, a level above me right now. I got this off him because, well, when he posted it on Facebook, I was like, wow, that's it. So anyways, let's just get to it so I can show you guys what exactly it is. All right. Oh my gosh, look. He even sent me a message. Jimmy, thank you. Thank you for buying my plants. I hope you enjoy them. I love your YouTube videos. Keep it coming, Rambo. Thanks so much, man. All right. He's been selling plants on Facebook for quite a while, and he sells some really, sensitive, rare, unique stuff. So I know that he's a very experienced packager. So look, he's good shipping materials. Oh my gosh! Wow. Okay, Ryan, you really outdid yourself, buddy. Okay, this is usually not included in anyone's packaging. Just FYI, your plants, when you order them online or anywhere, will not come in a container. Oh my gosh, Ryan. Oh, I gotta send you some more money for all the work that you've done. Jeez. Okay. All right, so I'm sure you guys know that, or you guys can sense by now that this is a pretty special plant, just because, well, I'm doing a video of it, and two, the amount of time and effort and care that Ryan put into packaging this plant. So really excited to. All right, here we go. Really excited to open this guy up. Where is Wow, okay, more packaging later. Oh, he sent me this thing. I think, I don't, this is not the plant. This is, I think this is a gift. Thank you so much, Ryan. Okay, I'll show you guys what the plant actually is here. All right, this is it. This is what you guys were expecting, right? So this guy is a Rhaphidophora. Was it talamauana? I've never seen this guy on sale anywhere before. I've actually never even heard of him before. So if you guys have seen some of my other videos, I'm really big on shinglers, or basically plants that just like climb up stuff. Normally the ones that I have are much smaller and the shape is definitely different. So this one, wow, 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 wow. When I'm gonna turn it around so I can look at it because you guys have seen it enough. Oh my gosh, this is this is amazing. I mean, if look, I mean, look how big this is. Can you imagine that? You know, this guy is a shingler. Like this is supposed to climb up trees and walls, and well, it's gonna climb up one of my moss planks. Okay, so some close-ups. I hope you guys can see the sheen against the light. It's a little like bluish, sort of. You can see it. Oh my gosh. Oh, what amazing leaf condition too. Jeez. Jeez. It's pretty expected that when you get these large shinglers, the next couple leaves are going to be much, much smaller. So Ryan has this obviously in sphagnum. It basically helps keep the roots moist without giving it too much moisture so that, you know, the roots don't rot. You can see that this is where the roots come from. The roots come from the back of the stem, like a lot of shinglers do. So yeah, so if you were going to mount this, or when I mount this, I'm basically just going to attach it to a moss pole, just tie it down, and then let it do its thing. Oh, I love this so much, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm probably just going to leave it in this container for a while till it roots a little bit more, and then I'm going to attach it to a moss pole or a moss plank. But, oh my gosh, it just looks so good. Wow. Yeah, you know, when you're collecting rare plants, really, you know, it's really expensive. There's a lot of amazing plants out there. You know, plant popularity and hype goes up and down. So just, you know, really just focus on plants that really, you know, speak to you. The ones that, you know, you look at and you're like, that's, you know, that's me, or that's mine, or that's for me. This plant, yeah. Oh, geez. Yeah, so good. Oh. So I know that this plant may not speak to you. You know, it may not speak to you, and that's perfectly fine. I think that all plants don't have to speak to everybody. Some people are really attracted to a certain type of plant, and also your taste may very well change over time. I remember that when I got into the hobby, I really wasn't into shinglers at all, and I really would not have looked into buying something like this. I just, you know, really didn't appreciate it at the time, and also I just really wasn't into this sort of plant. But since I got into shinglers, it really, you know, I really appreciate them a lot more, and now these kind of things really speak to me. But it doesn't mean it has to speak to you. When I started collecting, I was initially into variegated monstera, and obviously I still am. After that, I backed away from the variegation and I got more into like leaves with holes, which I'm also certainly into still. Then I think my anthurium phase kicked in, and yeah, and then now I'm into super weird stuff. Oh god, I love this guy. Ooh, oh wait, there's other stuff in here. I think there's other stuff in here. Okay. All right, so this one, I assume this guy is a pictum. Anyways, I'll ask Ryan exactly what what this one is. Oh, and then he also he gave me I think one of his pipers. So Ryan, he has I think mostly terrarium plants or plants that really need a lot of humidity. I don't have a terrarium set up at my place, and I also don't really augment my humidity all that much. So I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try and or here's the piper that he got me. I'm gonna try to do some close up, see if that helps. So I'm gonna try to augment. Well, actually, I'm not gonna try to augment my humidity too much, but I'm gonna try to put these guys in an environment where there's maximum humidity relative to my place. Oh, what a fun little guy. And then this one is the Piper. Absolutely stunning. I really hope it can survive in my environment. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this unboxing. I know it wasn't too much, and yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy the plants. Yeah, really, really special to me. So thanks for joining me. Yeah, I guess that's it. If you're curious about shinglers at all, I have a few other shingler videos that I'll post or link somewhere. Shinglers are really, really fun. I support them, and I support you collecting and growing them. Till next time, happy planting.